Hi there. This video will demonstrate how to use the Swap Add Drop feature in HomerConnect. The Swap Add Drop feature can be helpful during course registration. You might find yourself needing to drop a class to register for another one and want to ensure you won't lose your seat until you're 100% sure you can add the new class. Swap Add Drop allows you to switch out a class you are currently registered for another one you are not registered for. Swap Add Drop will not drop you from the class you are currently registered for until it successfully adds you into the new class. If you cannot be registered for the new class for any reason, for example, you don't meet a restriction or there's a time conflict with another class, HomerConnect will not drop you from the course you are currently in. Start by logging into HomerConnect. Select Registration and Planning at the left side of the screen. Select Register for Classes. Select the appropriate term. If needed, enter your RAC or Registration Access Code. Contact your academic advisor to receive your RAC. Start by finding the class you want to register for. If you are using the search method, select Add. If you are using the CRN method, select Add to Summary. Please see our video on registering for a class if you want to learn more about registering for a class. In the summary box, the course you are going to add will stay pending under the status column. The action will say Web Registered. Select the box next to Swap Add Drop at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will tell HomerConnect to not drop you from the class unless you are registered for the new class successfully. For the course you are going to drop, select the drop-down menu in that class's row. Change the selection in that box from None to Drop Web. Select Submit. If the Swap Add Drop is successful, HomerConnect will display Save Successful. If it is not, the type of error will display. You will not be dropped from the class until you successfully are added into another class. If you have any questions, please contact the Office of the Registrar at registrar@ithaca.edu or 607-274-3127.